6 months ago, I had zero savings. Not $100, not even $50. But today, I have over $10,000 sitting in my bank account. And no, I didn't win the lottery. I didn't get lucky. I just followed a simple system that anyone can use. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I saved my first $10,000 in just 6 months, step by step. If you're living paycheck to paycheck or struggling to save money, this video might change everything for you. The first thing I realized was this. I wasn't broke because I didn't make enough money. I was broke because I didn't control my money. Every month, my salary would come in.
Food, subscriptions, random shopping. So I did one simple thing. I started tracking every single dollar I spent, and that changed everything. Now, here's where most people go wrong. They think saving money means suffering, but that's not true. I didn't stop spending money, I just stopped wasting money. For example, I was spending $5 a day on coffee. That's $150 a month just on coffee. So instead, I made coffee at home. I reduced eating out, canceled useless subscriptions, and just like that, I saved hundreds. But saving alone isn't enough. If you really want to level up, you need to increase your income. So I started a side hustle. Nothing crazy, just simple things like freelancing, online work. Even a few hours a day made a huge difference. Because now I wasn't just saving money, I was creating extra money. This step is a game changer. Every time I got paid, I automatically transferred a portion of my money into savings. Before I paid bills, before I spent anything, I paid myself first. So saving money became automatic. But honestly, the biggest change wasn't in my bank account, it was in my mindset. I stopped buying things to impress people. I stopped making impulsive decisions, and I started thinking long-term. Because building wealth is not about one big move. It's about small decisions repeated every day. And after 6 months of doing this consistently, I finally hit my goal. $10,000. Not overnight, not by luck, but by discipline and a simple system. If you want to save your first $10,000, start today. Start small, stay consistent, and trust the process. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe because I post real strategies to help you build real money.